Hi everybody, today we are going to see about different P's of marketing. 4 P's, 7 P's, 8 P's, 9 P's, 11 P's, 12 P's, 14 P's. Watch the entire video so that you can learn about it. The marketing mix. The marketing mix is the combination of variables that a business uses to carry out its marketing strategy and meet customer needs. The term marketing mix was first introduced by Professor Neil H. Borden of the Harvard Business School. The 4Ps definition is a set of business principles devised by E. Jerome McCarthy in the year 1960. The 4Ps of marketing. The marketing mix. The first P, product. The second one, price. The third one, place or distribution. The fourth one is promotion. You can see here the first P is product, second one is price, third one is place, and the fourth one is promotion. These are the 4 P's of marketing. You can see here the product has product variety, quality, design, features, brand name, packaging, sizes, services, warranties, returns. The price, you have list price, discounts, allowances, payment period, credit terms. The promotion, the sales promotion, advertising, sales force, public relation, direct marketing. Under place, you have channels, coverage, assortments, location, inventory, and transport. These are the 4 P's of marketing. Now, in service sector, we have 7 P's. We know product, price, place, promotion is for product. Here, when it comes to services, you have people, you have process, you have physical evidence. The people involved in the service sector, the process, and the physical evidence are the 3 P's which is added to the previous 4 P's. Now you can see here product, price, place, promotion. The 4 P's of marketing. It is the product marketing mix. When another 3 P's, people, process, physical evidence added, it becomes the services marketing mix. 8 P's of marketing. The first 4 P's, product, price, place, and promotion, and the next 3 P's, people, process, and physical evidence. Now they have added the 8th P, that is the performance, that includes productivity and quality. Product, price, place, promotion, people, process, physical evidence. The last and the 8th P is performance. Now we will see about the 9 P's of marketing. Brian K. Law of Fox College of Business proposed payment as the 9th P of marketing mix. The 9th P is payment. We already have seen about the 8 P's, product, price, place, promotion, people, process, physical evidence, performance, that is productivity and quality, and the 9th P is payment. Product, price, place, promotion, people, process, physical evidence, performance, payment. The 9 P's of marketing. The next one is the 11 P's of marketing. We have already seen the product, price, place, promotion, people, process, physical evidence, and performance. Instead of the 9th P, payment, they have changed to personal relationship as the 9th P, and the 10th P is packaging, the 11th P is positioning. So we have the new 11 P's of marketing. Product, price, place, promotion, people, process, physical evidence, performance, personal relationship, packaging, positioning. The 11 P's of marketing. Now we will see about 12 P's of marketing. We already know the 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion. The 5th and the 6th one are people and process. 7th one is purpose. 8th, performance, that is productivity and quality. The 9th one is payment. The 10th one is personal relationship. 11th one is packaging, and the 12th one is positioning. They have added purpose as the 12th P of marketing. 12 P's of marketing: product, price, place, promotion, people, process, physical evidence, performance, personal relationship, packaging, positioning, and purpose. These are the 12 P's of marketing. Now let us see the 14 P's of marketing: product, price, place, promotion, people, processes, performance, precision or accuracy, placement, pliable or adaptable, planning, personality, perception, and the 14th one is permission. The product, price, place, promotion, people, process, performance, precision, placement, pliable, planning, personality, perception, and finally permission. These are the 14 P's of marketing. Hope this video is useful to you. Please share it with your friends and relatives. Subscribe our channel Educrawl. Thank you.